You know how you buy street popcorn for 10 Kenya shillings and you find out they are very chewy? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade popcorn, which is very crunchy and it's salted to perfection. Actually, you have to try out this recipe because everyone is going to enjoy the popcorns. So I have 3 key ingredients for this popcorn recipe, which is very easy. I have some popcorn, salt, and cooking oil. So I'm going to place a pot over medium flame, adding cooking oil enough to fry the popcorn. That is about that cup of cooking oil, and immediately you add in the oil. You're going to add in half a cup of popcorn and stir. The trick to pop all the popcorn is to make sure all the seeds are soaked with the oil. In about 1 to 2 minutes, the popcorns are going to start popping, so please don't walk away. Just watch over your popcorn because you don't want to have some scorched popcorn. Once the corn starts popping, you're going to place a lid so that you secure the popcorns in the pot because you don't want popcorn popping all over. Reduce the flames to low and wait for all the popcorns to fully pop. When all the corn is popped and it's still hot, sprinkle with some salt because you want to season your popcorns. When you're done popping the popcorns, the house is going to be smelling incredible, and trust me, the kids are going to walk into the kitchen to have some hot, crunchy popcorn. So as a family, you're going to sit down and enjoy the popcorn while watching a movie or just snacking.